How many of you use a large tumbler like this? But where do you put it? Your wheelchair, walker, or even a rollator? I have a new product that will hold tumblers, cups, and mugs and has plenty of room for storage. It's called the Goat Tote, and its number one purpose is to hold tumblers and drinks, and so much more. The Goat Tote is machine washable, can mount vertically or horizontally, has a tough outer nylon fabric with a soft inner liner, a waterproof bottom, a secure front pouch and a drawstring compartment, and 2 side pockets to store phones, glasses, or whatever else you'll need. Let's look a little closer at the Goat Tote. It has 3 pouches. One is a secure pocket for wallets, keys, valuables, and money, and the hook and loop straps secure it just like this. The other 2 will hold your phone, sunglasses, reading glasses, and sunscreen, just to name a few. The center is made for large tumblers. They fit great. Then if you want to hold smaller cups or canned drinks, you can pull up on the drawstring, push this button, and slide the ball tightly towards the center, then push back into to create a little nest. On the back, you'll see 2 hook and loop straps. These will help you mount your Goat Tote to your walker, wheelchair, and more. One is wide and one is thin. There is also a hook on the back of the Goat Tote that can hold a bag, umbrella, or purse, anything that can hang there. Let's look at some ways the Goat Tote can attach to your mobility device. To attach vertically, wrap the wide strap above the crossbar to prevent sliding and the thin strap down below. The Goat Tote can also be mounted on rollators as well as wheelchairs. There will be times you won't have a crossbar to help hold up the Goat Tote. Use the grip strap to secure the Goat Tote and prevent sliding. Wrap the strap around the tubing and secure by placing a hole on the strap over the hook on the clip. Now you can attach the Goat Tote securely above the rubber strap. The bottom strap on the Goat Tote helps anchor it to your walker or wheelchair. If you need to mount horizontally, remove the hook and loop straps and thread the thin one through the opening on the opposite side of the plastic hook. Attach the Goat Tote straps to your horizontal tubing and loop the wide strap loosely around the lower bar. On diagonal tubing, you can use the grip strap to prevent sliding. Now for some tips and tricks. For drinks with a handle, use the hook on the back to hang your container. Remember that you can use the drawstring to raise up your shorter beverages. You can add an ice pack below your drink to create a mini cooler. For large tubing, connect the thin and wide straps together. To help hold a cane or reacher, you can attach a cord or wire and hang it on the hook. We recommend the optional cane clip, available at mygoattote.com for easier use. Attach the cane clip a little above center on your cane or reacher by wrapping the rubber strap around the tubing and hooking it back on the clip. Then attach the cane clip to the Goat Tote. I love having my drink handy and a place to put my other personal items. I'd recommend that you get your own today. Available at mygoattote.com.